For folks that didn't catch my last video update, I got the tuning condenser cleaned up. Now I'm just focusing on the chassis itself, doing some rust removal using some crud cutter and a Scotch-Brite pad, just loosening everything up. Again, I'll wipe this down numerous times and then reapply the product. And again, a look at the crud cutter that I'm using, and the chassis itself. Still some tweaking to be done, but looking 100% better. Still need to remove the tag and do some de-rusting under it as well. And then around the on-off switch and the attenuator used to adjust the RF gain. As you can see, looking at the sides, front and back, is starting to take shape. And the two rubber grommets are dry rotted. I'll get those replaced as well and get the switch out of the way to clean it up and do some additional cleaning in that neck of the woods as well. And everything cleaned up, and the two rubber grommets replaced as well that I had mentioned earlier. So the chassis was a little rough in the beginning, but you can see it really took shape and cleaned up really well to be left over from the 1930s. Let me go ahead and grab the tuning condenser, and I think there's just a couple fasteners for it at this point. Get that remounted to the chassis itself. Give it a spin just to make sure that we're still good to go here. I've already checked it and there's no shorts in the plate. I left that rear section bent until we fire this thing back up. Thanks for watching.